Hi friends. In today's video we're going to complete our Marvel poster. In the last video, we completed the hammer, and, in this video, we will complete the background. If you didn't see the first part of the video, then please go the I button, and check out the previous video. Now, let's start this video. Now, time for the background. For the background, we will use different shades of blue. With tattoo inker brush, fill the color like this. Now, blend it with Smudge Flat Brush 3. For the ground part, repeat the same step, with different shades of brown, like this. Add some detailing, as I have shown. Now add some fog, with splatter brush, like this. Now time for the hero. The Thor. So select the tattoo inker brush, and draw the Thor, like this. If you want to transform Thor, then transform it in this way. Now, come to the magical part, the 3D look. Let's open the layer panel, and turn off the outline layers. Now, it looks almost realistic. Now, add a new layer on the top, and add some dark borders. Do the same for the handle part. Now, if you want to blur the Thor a little, do it with Smudge Flat Brush 3. Now, time for the thunder. Actually, I didn't like the thunder part, so I didn't show it. But now, let's delete the previous one, and make a new one. Now, select tattoo inker brush, and draw the thunder, with white color, like this. Add some glow, with glow neon brush, and blend it with Smudge Flat Brush 3. Your poster is almost ready. Now add the Marvel and Thor logo. For that, you don't have to draw, just import the images with import tool, like this. The image link is in the description. Now, place and resize the images with transform tool, like this. At last, if you want to add some detailing, then do the same, as I have shown. Your poster is ready. Please subscribe my channel, and also do like, comment and share. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.